Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a review of the headband wig I got from AliExpress. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly keep on watching. I got it from the post office and I was surprised to see synthetic hair on the pack because I did not order for synthetic hair, so I can't wait to see what's inside this pack. So we have the hair in this nylon, a separate nylon, a headband, I think it's a free gift, and I can see a fake eyelash. I don't like the eyelash that is there, but I love the headband. So let's see if there's any other thing in the pack. Okay, I think there's a wig cap, the regular wig cap that comes with the wig, a 2 pieces wig cap, and I think that's all in this pack. Let me bring the hair out so we can see what it really looks like. So I ordered a 16 inches hair. So let me read words on the pack. Okay, a non-lace wig, a 16 inches water wave wig. So let's see. Okay, so this is it. From the texture I can already feel that the hair is soft. It has good texture. It's so nice. Okay, so I love the texture, very soft. Okay, so I got this hair for about $56.50. This headband is very soft, and the sewing is very neat. So this is where you latch it at the back. You can see the inside is very neat. Anyway, even the last one I got from AliExpress was also very neat like this. And I love the texture of this wig. Honestly, it is superb. Very lovely. This is the first time I will be buying hair or wig on AliExpress, and it will be the same as the picture I saw on their website. This wig looks exactly like the picture I saw on their official store on AliExpress. I bought this hair from Yi official store on AliExpress. I think they sell majorly hair and wigs. So this headband wig or hair is not a synthetic hair, so I don't know why they put it on the pack. I think synthetic hair was put on a pack to confuse the custom officials. The texture of this hair is so nice. It is soft and it is lightweight. The headband of this wig is also very soft. Let me show you what the inside of this wig looks like. You can see the sewing is very neat. The net used for this wig is also very soft. I love everything about this wig. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Adebola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail product reviews, nail tutorials, a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to join this family. So let's jump right into today's video. So this is the hair I got from AliExpress. This is the headband wig I got from AliExpress. I've been seeing a couple of headband wigs on YouTube, and I saw when I was shopping my other hair on AliExpress, I saw an ad for this and I decided to buy it. I love everything about this hair. The texture about this wig, the texture, the curls, I love it. Okay, but there are 2 complaints I have against this company. I ordered a 16 inches hair. This does not look like a 16 inches to me, 1. Secondly, this hair took about 2 months to get to Nigeria. I'm going to be dropping the price of it there. I'll drop the price on the screen so you can see it, and also the name of the store. I think PLE or something store that I got it from later. I'm going to be dropping the link to this headband wig in my description box. This headband wig is so soft, it's very light. I don't know, I guess headband wigs are not supposed to be that full. I love just make this. So I said, I think this thing goes to Nigeria late, not like my other hair I got from AliExpress that goes to Nigeria in about 4 or 5 days. This one goes to Nigeria in 2 months. It got to a point that I couldn't track it again, but I was chatting with the seller and they kept reassuring me that it's on the way and it will get here. But why it got to Nigeria late, I didn't know. I think it said because it was free shipping. Other hair too that I got from AliExpress was they were also free shipping. So let me put it on my head so you can see the beauty of it. I love it. It's my first headband wig, like I said. So I'm going to be showing you the inside. I think I'll show you the inside of this headband wig in the unboxing of it so you can see what the inside looks like. Very neat. The sewing too is very neat. This is my first headband wig. I think I'm going to be getting an afro next. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking into my mirror so I can see what it looks like on my head. Don't you love it? It's nice, right? It's very light. Very light. Very light. I don't know. I just love it. So you can either use it like this, or you use it the headband, which I'm going to be putting the one that came with the wig. I'm going to be putting on so you can see it. So you can style this with different headbands. So you can have as many headbands as possible. I'm not really a colorful person, so I know I'm going to be styling it more often with pink colored headbands. But I don't want my colors to be clashing anyway. So hold on, let me get all the hair out so I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I think that is that. So this is what it looks like. I love this headband wig. It's very light on my head. So for someone like me that lives in Nigeria and it's very hot and you don't want to put something too heavy on your head, you want something light that the breeze can slip through, this is perfect. It doesn't need much styling. Just put it on your head and move. So if you like this wig and you would like to get one, I'll be putting the link to the store where I got this in my description box. You can check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel still, kindly click on the subscribe button below to join the family. Thanks for watching once again. Till next time. Bye.
Just now waiting, they call me. Him no know waiting I do, make I'm not over me.